Ay, pakitulong naman.
This is the other side of Winona Gale. Daddy, comfort her. The usual way you comfort her.
It's okay. It's okay, girl. Here it is. Wow, give it my... Don't be afraid. We are with you, in you. It's okay. That's Winona girl. Now she's not cranky, but she is cranky. Oh, shut. No, oh. Alright, come on.